Hi, it's Sunny J with another Motivation Minute. Is your mind racing all the time? Sometimes you just need to unclutter, because that's the only way you can come to some good decisions. When your mind is racing, it's very difficult. So what you have to do is maybe go in vacay mode or just out of the office. Take the time, declutter your mind, do something that you can do for you. Maybe it's go get a pedicure, get a manicure, walk in the park, read a book, something you can do, just you, and you can just relax your mind so that you can truly think, because with a cluttered mind, it's very difficult to think. So you need to unclutter your mind to make good, sound decisions no matter what it is you're facing. Clear your mind, start with a fresh mind, and then deal with the situation, and your decision will be a much better one. And clutter your mind. Be out of the office, go on vacay mode, weekend vibes, whatever it takes, but you got to unclutter your mind so that you can figure out your next step. And that's a Motivation Minute from Sunny J.